Hi everyone, welcome back to Unit 3. Today's topic 3.6 is all about angle proofs. We're going to use the reasons below to complete proofs 1 and 2. Cross them off as you use them for each proof. We're given angle PQR is a right angle. That is, remember, if it's up top, our reason is given. So let's cross that out. And I would also put that mark on your drawing. So we want to prove that PQS and SQR are complementary. And remember, complementary means 90 degrees. 2, the measure of angle PQR equals 90 degrees. That is definition of a right angle. Number 3, the measure of PQS and SQR equals PQR. That is the angle addition postulate. The measure of PQS plus the measure of angle SQR equals 90 degrees. That is the transitive property. And let me show you why. You see that measure angle PQR is in both of these. It was equal to 90 degrees. You see how 90 is here. So they eliminated the pink stuff here and set these two equal to each other. So angle PQS and angle SQR are complementary, and that is definition of complementary angles. Let's take a look at number 2. Angle RSU is congruent to angle VST. And then we want to prove that angle RSV is congruent to UST. First statement, the reason is going to be given because they gave us that information up top. The measure of angle RSU equals the measure of angle VST. That is definition of congruence. Measure of RSU plus the measure of USV is equal to the measure of RSV. That is the angle addition postulate. Angle VST plus USV is equal to the measure of UST. That is also the angle addition postulate. Let's go ahead and cross those two off. On the next step, you see how they changed VST to RSU, and that came from up here at step 2. They said that those two were equal. So that is going to be substitution. And the next one, they're telling us that the measure of angle RSV is equal to the measure of angle UST. So you see how this and this are the same, and they end up setting the measure of RSV equal to the measure of UST. So that would be the transitive property. And on the last step, they added the hats back. So that is definition of congruence. Fill in the missing statements and reasons. You may want to use your angle proofs reference sheet to help. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 4. That is given. Step number 2, we are going to say that the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 4, and that is definition of congruence. Step 3, you notice that in the reason box, they gave us given. So go back up top and we're going to copy down this other piece of given information. Angle 4 and angle 5 form a linear pair. Angle 4 and angle 5 are supplementary. That's going to be linear pair theorem. Could also be the supplementary theorem. Number 5, the measure of angle 4 plus the measure of angle 5 equals 180 degrees. And that's definition of supplementary angles. Now on the next one, we're going to use substitution. So we need to go back to step 2, and we see that the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle 4. So we're going to put the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 5 equals 180. And we use substitution to do that. Then angle 1 and angle 5 are supplementary, and that is because of the definition of supplementary angles. If you have any questions, please jot those down and we can talk about them next time I see you. Thanks. Bye.